it's amazing also today.
Asuntoskeittiö Pukinpiener.
The 14th of March 2025, we have Eskolantie, Eskolantie again, 5 staircase. A, the first one in this building. You can watch also the staircases from B to F here as well. And this is in Swedish and Finnish here outside, as it should be officially, and the capacity is should be 4 floors, so 300 rooms, but it says 320 that for some reason.
Yeah.
6 floors here, but late 1981 finished in 1982, and for some reason this is 40210 because it's a strange order in the building
Yeah.
that we noticed. But we can, of course, write down which staircases which side
Yeah.
and say to us here.
Feedbacki vai pitää nyt mennä eteenpäin Kone. Well, that's it, and thank you very much for watching. And you can watch the staircases from B to F, yeah? That's